Welcome back to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. This video, I'm gonna share with you my DIY planters and DIY home decoration that materials from Dollar Tree and some of them from Hobby Lobby. The materials you just need the nautical rope. Some of them you can find it from your Dollar Tree. It's always out of stock. And you can always find some rope, nautical rope from the Hobby Lobby, and they have like a 40% coupon in one item. On the other side, the one you will see the very fine rope, those are from the Hobby Lobby. And you can use all your any container, old container, plastic, reusable, or any bucket that you don't need it. Is that all you need? The one the one I have right now, the big one, I think I bought it from the Home Depot and some from Lowe's, and the small one, those are the Christmas cookies from last year. The one I'm touching right now, the rope, I got it from the Hobby Lobby. Yes, and the Hobby Lobby, and also that one, it is from the Hobby Lobby because I, like what I said earlier, I ran out of nautical ropes from a Dollar Tree and is always out of stock. And the big one over on that side, oh, and that is from the Christmas popcorn. And then it kind of like reuse it. I don't want to throw it. I just, covered it up. And I don't want to paint it. So I decided to use the rope other than painting it. As you can see, I also did the laundry basket from a Dollar Tree. And I just, that rope from a Dollar Tree, and you can use that. You can do a lot of things from the laundry basket. You can put pillows over there, like a decoration. If you want to cover up the inside one, like a pillowcase or any a piece of fabric, you can do so. That green bucket is from a Dollar Tree, and that's the rope is all from the Dollar Tree. So I think all in all, I use like a 15 ropes. Yeah, and it's always sold out. So once you see that kind of rope, it's like the thick one, just grab as many as you can. Right now I'm showing to you that I use the bottle of water and a container, a plastic container. There are both plastic container, and I also did the stand for the small one, and also from a Dollar Tree, and those are the Jenga blocks. And also the flowers is also from like, it's not a flowers, it's like a cotton flowers from a Dollar Tree. Yes, and even the home sweet home, that's from the pizza pan. I'll put the link down below. This is so fun to do it. All you need to do is to have a lot of ropes and a lot of glue, and I'll show you in a while how I did my DIY project. So this is my Christmas popcorn can that I had it for last year. All I need to do is just, use with a rope, wrap around with ropes with glue, and these materials are all from a Dollar Tree. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Don't forget to give me like, share, and subscribe. It's Mem Sky. Bye. See you on my next video.